Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Dani, the wicked awesome gardener. I have owned chickens now for a little over a week, and I have already discovered exactly how hard it is with my busy schedule to make sure that I'm getting home every night to get the chickens in the coop before the sun goes down and the predators come out, and to make sure that they get out of the coop early enough in the morning that they can get out and scratching and enjoying themselves. To help with this problem, I decided that what I really need is an automatic chicken door that's going to be kind of a lifesaver for my evening routines and all of that. Getting out in the morning, not as much of a problem, but getting home at night before the sun goes down so that I can put the girls in without it being too early, that's the tricky part. I do most of my shopping on Amazon, and boy was there a range when I went on there. So I did a little bit of research. I decided I definitely wanted to stay away from the $30 specials that seemed to be on there because they seemed to be very flimsy. They did not have automatic features or anything like that. And they just overall did not have very good reviews. I also, though, being conscious of my pocket, did not want to go spend like $200 for the high-end models. After doing a lot of research and comparing a lot of different products, I did find one in a middle price point that I think is going to meet all of my needs, and that is the Maticoopx automatic chicken door. So I'm going to try my hand at installing this. Based on the angle back there, I don't know if I'm going to get good video of the install or not, but I'm going to try to do it, and then I will give you my review. So we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing here. So this is the package that it came in a box on Amazon. Let's open this bad boy up. So you can see it comes with the instruction manual. The installation hardware, which is just 4 screws. And let's take a look at this door. So first off, this is not plastic. It is solid metal, and it is very sturdy. Nothing is gonna be popping in there. Oh yeah. I don't see a raccoon being able to bust their way in through this, and that's really what I need. So you can see here, it's got different modes. It's got a manual mode. You can change the settings. This can work on either a light sensor, a manual mode where you come out and you close it by yourself or open it by yourself every evening and night, or you can set it on a timer. Here is why I'm not going to get the best video of the install of the door itself, because the coop and the wall of the run, it's really just like 1.5 feet or something like that in between, and just the mesh, and I can't seem to find a single level place on this side over here where I can set this camera. So we're just gonna have to go install it, and then I will show you when we're done. Well, Houston, we have a problem. The install of the door went just fine, except for one thing that I hadn't actually calculated on, and this was totally on me, nothing with the design of the door, but here on this portion of the coop, we have this that lifts up for easy access to the coop and cleaning, and obviously the door cannot go up if it's gonna hit that lip. So we had to rethink things. The only other place where I could possibly install the door is here. This bit that folds down so the chickens can go in and out. And so then there's plenty of clearance there for the door to go up and all of that. Only problem being, this is so wide. Obviously the door is not that wide, and so I needed to find something to cover that. So I'm just going to take this door off completely, cover that, and then install the door over. So I went hunting through the basement for some scrap wood, and I found exactly what I needed, like really crazily exactly what I needed down in my dad's basement. I found this piece of wood, nice and thick. There's a chicken-sized hole here. I'm just gonna test it out with one of the ladies and pop her through and make sure that they're gonna fit, but like that should be okay. I've just got to get a ramp down. I think I'll probably use this. Whoop! maybe as a ramp. I don't know. I'm just kind of throwing things out there, throwing things at the wall, seeing what sticks. But once I screw this in, I should be able to then attach the door over it and everything will be fine. Okay, so now I have that piece of board on. I think I may really need a screw here and here to help hold it on better. There is a little bit of a gap here, but I am alas out of screws. So we're just gonna go ahead and work on it, and let's see if I can get my trusty Leghorn here. Hello, Rose. Hello, Rose. She's the one that's easy to pick up. And can she go through? Does she want to? Not really, but there she is. And she'll probably pop back out over here, which is where I removed the other door. So she'll just probably pop right back down. Hi, Rose. So now I'm gonna finally be able to get my Maticoopx automatic chicken door up and functional. All right, so we do have the door installed. You want to make sure that you don't tighten the screws too much because you want this to be nice and straight. If it's bent or flexed at all, it's not going to be able to raise the door. So now we're going to go put the batteries in. Batteries are in a compartment right up here. Just pops on out. Can I do this one-handed? Or will I regret not bringing a tripod? Let's see. I'm not even left-handed, folks. Sorry for the shaky camera. There we go. Battery's properly installed. Slide it right on back in. Cover pops right back in there. Ta-da! Nice and watertight. And let's try the door. Oh, dun, 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 da-da. Okay, I put it slightly too far over, but it's like just the tiniest fraction. But the door does go up. Woo! Fantastic. So this does have multiple modes. You can see I've got it set on a timer right now. I actually, now that I've set it on this side, may set it to go on light levels. But for now, I think that's fine to leave it on time. So when 8 o'clock rolls around tonight and I am at rehearsal, I don't have to worry because this is going to close on its own. Whew. So yeah, as a mid-priced automatic chicken door with some pretty good features, it's got the anti-pinch, so if their leg or a chicken is standing in the door, it's not going to close. It will wait till the chicken moves. It will try again a few minutes later. So it's going to avoid injury. I've seen a lot of reviews on that. But this had some stellar reviews on Amazon. I am going to wait to do an actual Amazon review for a little while. I want to see how long it functions well, and that's going to be a big decider in my final review, but so far, so good. And I guess I will wait to upload this until tomorrow. Let's make sure that when I get home tonight, the coop is actually closed. So thank you guys so much for coming along for yet another chicken video. I know it's been kind of a bit of a step away from the garden in the last few weeks. We've had, what, 3 chicken videos now and 3 videos from my trip to MI Gardener, but we're gonna get back to actual gardening and we're just gonna continue on with more of an urban homestead feel. I think we all know that's where I'm trying to get to, is to have an actual homestead, not just on my little postage stamp here, but have a couple of acres with some different kind of animals and all of that. So these chickens is a big step in that direction. But yeah, we're gonna get back to the heart of this channel, which is gardening. We're gonna do a garden tour. I'm gonna go shoot it now. So I will see you guys in that video. Thanks for coming along while we grow some wicked awesome food from yard to table. Bye-bye.